peace. Because it's mostly us end up serving overseas. Hell, if it was up to me, I'd love to see this country run like it used to be, like it ought to be, and just like it's done right here. Yeah, way out here. 'Cause we won't take a dime if we ain't earned it. When it comes to way, brother, we pull our own. If it's all backwards way of living you're concerned with, well, you can leave us alone. What about John Wayne, Johnny Cash, John Deere? Yeah, we're out here. Yeah. Now help me sing this one, come on. We won't take,
We ain't earned it.
and when